Welcome back to Tuxedo Mafia. Thanks for coming back. This is part 2 of how to build a motorcycle helmet shelf and gear organizer. So if you've made it through part 1, fantastic, thank you. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you doing that. So part 2 here, we're going to go through a little bit of the assembly, which I'll try and zip through, and then the final product and everything else I got. I will put in the description all the materials that I used and what to do. Now, before we go any further, I will apologize. This is my first how-to video, and like many people on YouTube, we have this grand idea and everything else like that. But the actuality of it is that when you go to shoot it, and you think you're going to do it, you end up with all this footage, and you're like, oh, I'll edit it. Yeah, no. No. So I've gone through and I've edited it as best as I can, everything else I got. I will apologize, but since then I've spent probably about 10 or 15 hours watching how many other people did their how-to videos. And my original intent was to show everybody that you could do it with whatever tools or however flexible and this and that. And what I should have really done was just showing you how I do it. And then from there you could do your own ideas and everything else I got. So make it through the video. It's really worth watching. Fergus makes a special appearance. And yeah, no, I really appreciate your time. So enjoy the video and watch for the end there. I'll show you the finished product with everything hung up, and it looks fantastic. It actually turned out quite nice. So thanks again. See you soon.
Okay, there we go. We've got her all hung up nice. I was fortunate enough to have a couple of studs spaced apart quite nicely. What? What's the matter? Yeah? What? Not paying you enough attention? Is that what it is? Not getting any supervisory in? You don't like the shelf? Oh, you just want to investigate it a little bit? You want to see it? Yeah? You think the video's crap, don't you? You do, don't you? It's just pure crap? Don't know what Dad doesn't know what he's doing, does he? No, not a clue. I know it's my first video, so you got to give me a break on that. You guess? Yeah. Okay. Well, what should we do better in the next video? Yeah. Should we what? Should we have more cats? More purring. Okay. Okay. Where are you going? Well, you're the star of the show at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Purrs and biscuits, huh? You doing biscuits on a hardwood? Yeah? Okay. We need to ask them for their help, don't we? Don't we? We gotta say, can you please like and subscribe to the video so we can grow the channel, right? Yeah? Okay. Air biscuits now? Oh, here, let me get down here. Oh, you want a snotty nose rub? Okay. Yep, okay. Your purring's gonna be loud in the thing there. Okay, we'll ask them for the help. Yeah, because we can help kitties like you were once. You were a feral kitty, weren't you? Yeah. And there's lots of feral kitties that need help, don't they? So if we can grow the... Where are you going? that we're doing an interview. Okay, so there's lots of feral kitties that need help, right? And there's lots of people out there doing a job. So if we can grow this channel and get some sponsors and monetize it, we can give a lot of money to them, can't we? Or, well, I guess it depends on how much we make or don't make. Anyways, we're still going to give whatever we do get, right? Okay. Can I get back to work then? Yeah? Okay. Are you sure? Great. So anyways, where were we? Okay, so she's hung. Let's throw up a couple helmets. Now, the reason why I put it at 6 foot is because my wife is 5 foot, and I'm pretty sure she'd be pissed if I stuck it way the hell up there. Also, my girl has a supernatural fetish going on. Ooh, that might not be enough for that. Anyways, yeah, we're going to do the foam on that one, I think. We're going to do the foamies. He wants the tills. Interesting. Let's see. Does the wipes sit nice? Yes, they do. Ooh, we might have to change that angle. We just might have to change that angle. Oh well. Ooh, that is a little tippy. The showy fits nice. That fits nice. I bought these at Urban Barn. They were cheap. They were like, clearance for $5.97. And the reason why I just wanted like a big hook. Maritime is not exactly our theme. Wife's not overly happy about it. But with that there, I'm going to be able to hang this bad boy here. And, oops, if I can hang on to it. Jesus, those things are heavy. Okay, so just like that, and then I'll be able to have 2 jackets, and I can put up 3 of them so they can all overlap a little bit. So anyways, back to the drawing board a little bit for the angle of the shelf, and yeah, see you then. Oh yeah, puppy dogs, there she is. She's all up and she's done. So, shelves up, hangers are on, they're secure. You can park a truck on these things, although I wouldn't want to. My helmets are a lot more stable now. They're not so tippy as they were before because I ended up changing this angle to 25 degrees, but I would actually recommend 22.5 degrees to be ideal, depending on your helmet. You can go 25, so I just recut that, redid it, and then what else we got? Jacket hangs up really nicely. I've got to order some more of these. These are, as you can see, those are wide in the shoulders there, and I like those for my gear, and the main reason is because it sits right in the shoulder here, and I found when you use just a normal hanger, it puts a huge crease in here, and eventually your shoulders cave over, which you don't really want. So, with that being said, I think we are done. The only other thing I think I'm going to do at a later stage is these little blocks. I'm not really crazy. See, the older helmet has got a big rubber thing on it, so I'm not too worried about it. But here it's going to rub paint on the wife's helmets and my helmets. So I'm probably going to take a piece of EV foam and just put like some little triangles in there. And that'll be a lot more gentle on that. As to whether I'm going to paint it, stain it, I don't know. Let's hopefully you do some of your own creations and post them so we can all see them. Okay, boy, that's a shit old helmet. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Until the next video, peace out. Okay, so here we go. We have the finished product. As you can see, it fits 4 helmets just wonderful. Should use the GoPro for this, but well, oh, sorry, the other helmet I'm wearing. And then all the gear goes on there nice and neat. Scooch over here. Give you a nice wide shot of it. And then a nice little bench. We'll pick up something a little bit different, but for right now, she's holding everything. So as you can see, put the little pads in there. What else you got? All the jackets are hanging up quite nicely. Another suggestion, sorry, out of focus. Another suggestion my wife had was to maybe do a pipe across there. So yeah, thanks very much for watching here at Tuxedo Mafia. We really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Still not sure what we're going to do, but we're going to do something. Thanks very much. Bye.